guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ja-Lydia, and if you're new here, go ahead, subscribe, and you should be new because this is a whole brand new channel. So if you guys enjoy this video, if you enjoy this content, if you enjoy what I have to show you guys, then go ahead, subscribe, like, because you already know that's how YouTube works. It really does help us out if you do like our content. Without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and get into this video. Let's not make this intro long. Just know that I'm here to definitely make an impact and show you guys how it is to be an entrepreneur and how it is to be a business owner and own and run your own clothing company from literally nothing. So these jeans are going to be a completely different look by the end of this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, like I said, and okay, so I'm in my backyard and this is where I'm going to be doing the DIY for the jeans. So I have 4 pairs of jeans here that I'm going to be pretty much customizing. I got them all from Goodwill at one in Georgia and one in Virginia. And then we have these oversized jeans that these are also a dark wash. Oh Jesus Christ, my eye.
How you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
These are Old Navy jeans. The other ones that I was looking at, Old Navy jeans. So far 2 Old Navy jeans, and you already know, and if you don't, Old Navy has really good quality jeans. And this is going to be a half bleached look. So we have this right here, that this is what I'm going to be using to pretty much bleach the pants. Just going to squeeze it all over, rub it in, and get that bleached. This is going to be the bag where I put the other pants leg. And then we have a colored pencil, and then we have scissors, and then we have tweezers. I have this side covered. If you have duct tape, guys, I would highly recommend. So then you can duct tape this and literally divide it even better. But I'm going to try my best to not get it on this side. So next step. That's right, guys. It took me about 3 times and a couple more to figure this out, but here we are. So, I taking a break, eating an Uncrustable, and drinking water. Stay hydrated. Remember to wear a mask. I remembered halfway through, so make sure you put a mask on so you don't kill any of your brain cells. But we are going to go ahead and let that set. Let that go ahead and do its thing. See if it comes out the way we want it to come out. We might need to bleach a little bit more in certain areas. We will see. Oh, my Spanish music's playing outside and the neighbors are out. These hooligans. But for right now, jean number 1 is done. So pretty much with these, what we're gonna be doing is putting a slit on the knee and distressing the ankle. Okay guys, so this is the part where we're going to be needing our scissors and we're going to need our tweezers. So I'm going in with the light colored jeans, like I showed you guys earlier, and I'm going to be doing the knee slits and the fringed ends and slits at the ankles. So you will better understand once you kind of watch what it is that I'm doing. I have these white lines here on the knees, or where the knee area would be. And I'm gonna go ahead, go with my scissors. Make sure you only have the first layer because you don't wanna snip all the way through. What we're gonna do is just make a cut right there in the middle. All right, now what we're gonna do is just kind of snip to the sides. Okay, so that is going to be our knee slit. So you see that this is the cut that I made. So pretty much what we're going to be going and doing with the tweezers is just picking at it. And you see how it's starting to fringe? That's what you want. Make sure you don't do it too much in one spot. And you can kind of go with like the pointy edge of your tweezer. All right guys, so this is how they came out in the wash. They will distress some more. These are the knee slits. So we're now going to move on to the ankle part, okay? What I'm first going to do is go ahead and make my slit. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut off the edge of the jean. Go with your tweezers and fringe the ends. So we finished that side. We're gonna go ahead and do the exact same thing to this side, and we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next pair of jeans. For this one, I'm gonna pretty much possibly get just slit at the knee, add just that touch, and then you see that this pocket has distressing, but this one's pretty regular schmegular. So I'm going to be putting the flame, and I printed out one that I can iron on, and so I'm going to try and see how that works out here. So this may just have the slits on the knee and the flame for later, and if you want to see that, go ahead, follow me on my Instagram. I'll have it right here and link down below as well for you guys, and you can follow me and kind of see how I style these pictures, and yeah, or how I style these outfits and these pieces. So go ahead and follow me on there. So it's a pretty subtle change, guys. It's nothing major. I just added the knee slits and that's it. And yeah, this is how these came out. So I'm actually going to go ahead and take a break. My head is starting to hurt. I'm a little tired, and I just need to get inside, get out of the heat for a little while. And I've, dealt with enough of heat and bleach. I've covered my face, don't worry guys. But it definitely, it's Clorox, okay? So I'll see you guys tomorrow.
The next day.
So guys, if you remember yesterday, I was on the deck and I dropped the tweezers. I dropped the tweezers in the deck, okay? So it fell under here. Okay guys, so I see it, and I know you see it too. Like, do you see it right there, guys? Like, what? How even? Bro, I don't. Because what if there's a fucking snake? I'm not in the mood. I'm not. Hey guys.
A few minutes later.
We got it. So let's go clean these hose off. So with these, I'm going to be pretty much distressing them all the way down, leaving the ankles, the ankle of the pants regular. So with these guys, I already pretty much marked up where I wanted to go ahead and cut the jeans. So I'm gonna go ahead, cut them up, distress them with the tweezers. I'm not gonna show you too much b-roll of this. Let's just get these jeans done so that you guys can go ahead and see how all of these came out. So you've made it to the end of the video. I appreciate it. I really do. And I just want to say, if you enjoyed it, Bear, calm down. Calm down, bro. Here he is. This is my bear. He needs a bath, but don't judge him. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you got inspiration from it and that I could help you in any type of way. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is my first video and I have so many more to come. I am a business owner. I am in the process of launching my clothing company. I am the CEO, hence my YouTube name. So guys, please follow so that you could go ahead and be a part of that journey with me and just see what it all entails. I am building this from scratch. I am a first generation entrepreneur. I'm a first generation business owner. I am a first generation everything. You know, so I have a lot coming my way, but I know that I'm ready for it and I'm super excited to share it with you guys. That's it, and I'll talk to you guys later.